shot of the outside of the house, and I'll give you a little look of the neighborhood. This is the neighbor's house. In front of your house, it's a huge fenced-in area. Really open, lots of land here. Very, very quiet. It's a little windy today, but really, really nice. Now let's go take a look inside. This entryway is absolutely gorgeous. And let's head inside. So to our left here, we have an area. It could be a sitting area, it could be anything you want. Maybe a little bookshelf over there. To our left, we have a hallway, which takes us down to bedrooms. And straight ahead, we have our living room. Take a look at the ceilings. They're absolutely gorgeous. So like I said, this could be a sitting room, this could be anything you want. Very nice room. And let's go down the hallway. So as we head down this hallway, we have our washroom. Lots of storage in here, washer, dryer. And we head into bedroom number 1. All these bedrooms are really great size, and these closets have storage in them, which really allows you to maximize your space. So as we head into bedroom number 2, again, a really great size bedroom. Once again, the closet with storage in it, and all these bedrooms have carpet in them. So going back down the hall, we have a bathroom, double vanity, and this has a private shower and toilet, which is really nice. One kid could be brushing their teeth while one kid is in the shower. On my left here, we have 2 closets for storage, and now we're heading into our master bedroom. This bedroom is absolutely huge. You have a really nice view of your backyard in that window. And this door heads out to your screened-in back porch, which again gives you a really great view of your backyard. So let's head into our master bath. We have a double vanity, this really, really beautiful tub. We have a private toilet and this gorgeous glass shower. And in here we have everyone's dream closet. So much storage available in here. Really great. And again, we're back in our master bedroom. And now let's head out to the living room. So the sitting room is really nice. As you can see, it's 2 steps down. And like I said, this ceiling is gorgeous. And now we're heading into our kitchen. This kitchen is gorgeous. You you have room for bar stools here if you want to eat at the counter. And when we head around here, there's just so much storage in this kitchen. The countertops are beautiful, and we have French doors going out to our backyard. And there is a grill out there, and this backyard is fenced in. So heading back around, we enter a little den area. This has been used as an office. This could be used as absolutely anything you would like. But we do have some storage area here and another restroom here. We also have a 2-car garage with a lot of workspace in here. Lots and lots of room in this garage. So let's head upstairs. Up here is a very massive space. So much room up here. There is a closet and a bathroom up here. This could be a bedroom, this could be a bonus room, this could be a playroom. No matter what, there is so much room over here. I'll take you over to see the bathroom. Just a simple toilet shower. The bathroom, plenty of room. Like I really said, this room is massive. So much natural light. And if you thought this room was massive, check out this one. This room is absolutely huge. Once again, it could be someone's bedroom, a bonus room, a movie room. But this room is massive. Alright guys, that completes our tour of this house on 2915 Landing Circle, and that's in Grimesland, North Carolina. You can always visit our website, flagshiprentalproperty.com, for more information. And always feel free to give us a call or send us an email at info@flagshipnc.com. And just so you guys see it again, here is a view of the backyard. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. Give us a call. Have a good one.